Okay, so now we fill. We just closed up the bottom. I just tucked in all the loose ends. You don't need to cut them off. Nobody's going to see the inside of this. But stuff it so that you can start to see the shape, the base of the pumpkin start to round out. We don't want to overstuff it because we do still need to shape the puckers that will make it look like a pumpkin around the the edges, the ridges within the pumpkin. So you want to make sure it's stuffed enough to give it that shape, but not too stuffed that then you won't be able to shape it. So try to get it in there evenly distributed. This looks about right. So we're gonna cinch the top. That looks good to me. So the next step, and what you want to do, is grab a piece of yarn that's pretty long. This I'd say is about 3 feet. The reason you want to do that is we're going to use the same thread to weave through the pumpkin to shape the edges. So similar to the bottom of the pumpkin, and I'm starting at the same seam, we're going to weave along the top to be able to cinch it closed. Same process, it's just now stuffed.